During combustion, the carbon contained in the fuel is oxidized to CO2. If the combustion process is disturbed, toxic carbon monoxide is formed. To prevent danger, the CO content is checked regularly, either during adjustment work or during measurements in accordance with the German Nuclear Inspection Ordinance or the German First Federal Emissions Protection Ordinance. Today I would like to show you how this works with the Wöhler A450. We are looking at a room air-dependent gas fireplace. The limit value for these appliances is 1000 ppm undiluted carbon monoxide. When measuring, it is important to use a special multi-hole probe for the following reason. In the flue gas flow, there are often places in the connecting pieces of these appliances where there is a lot of carbon monoxide, whereas there are also places where there is little carbon monoxide. It is therefore necessary to determine the entire cross-section, and this is only possible with a special multi-hole probe. The holes must of course be in the opposite direction to the flue gas flow. The gas appliance has now been running for a few minutes. The Wöhler A450 has adjusted itself to the room, in other words, calibrated to 20% oxygen by volume, and now I can insert the probe and start measuring. The display now shows two CO values. One is the COV value and the other is the CON value. What is the difference? The COV value is the diluted carbon monoxide value. In other words, the carbon monoxide value that is actually being measured. But now we have to compare measurement results with each other. This means we have to convert to the undiluted, standardized carbon monoxide value without excess air. This is the CON value. Depending on which regulation you are working to, the carbon monoxide value must be output in ppm or in milligrams per cubic meter. This is done fully automatically by the measuring device. The measurement result can now be saved in the device or printed out directly on the Wöhler Thermal Fast Printer. This is how easy it is to determine the CO content with the Wöhler A450.